Everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we're in a 1976 Chevy Monte Carlo. This thing's super awesome, fully decked out. It's fully restored. It's got a 400 cubic inch V8 automatic transmission with overdrive. It's got power brakes, power windows, power steering. Every gauge in here works as it should. It drives super smooth, handles really nicely. This thing's super awesome, and it's just a really good looking car all the way around. It's been fully restored, like I said. It's got pretty good power. It's got really good stopping power. The interior is absolutely incredible on it. It's even got the really cool swivel bucket seats in it that swivel out the door to get in and out easier, which is a really cool feature you don't really see often. The engine's been completely gone through, has a ton of really cool stuff which you can look at in the information section on this vehicle. It's just a really cool car all the way around. Show you some of that power. Goes really good. Show you the stopping power. Stops really well as well. Shifts really good. Just a great driver all the way around. It's got AC, working radio. Just a great car all the way around. But once again, we're in a 1976 Chevy Monte Carlo here at Skyway Classics Dallas. Come check it out.